The older son had been out in the field, but when he came near the house, he heard the music and dancing.
What's going on here?
Your brother has come home safe and sound, and your father ordered us to kill the best calf.
The older brother got so angry that he would not even go into the house. His father came out and begged him to go in.
For years, I have worked for you like a slave, and have always obeyed you. But you have never even given me a little goat, so that I could give a dinner for my friends. This other son of yours wasted your money, and now that he has come home, you ordered the best calf to be killed for a feast! Ugh.
My son, you are always with me, and everything I have is yours. But we should be glad and celebrate. Your brother was dead, but he is now alive. He was lost, and has now been found.